Hi everyone, it's Brian Khatambakhsh, your team lead at Khatambakhsh Real Estate Team with another real estate update for December of 2022 and for that matter for the whole year of the 2022. So let's get to the number right away. We are looking at number of sales, number of active listings and the average prices. We are always looking at the supply and demand because that's what dictates the price. Um, As of December 30th, the total number of active listings in Mississauga was 647, and total sold unit in month of December was 281. Yes, there were 281 sales in Mississauga. People think nothing is selling. There's still a lot. It's 39% less than the month of November, and of course, it's almost 40% less than last year this time. But however, things are still moving, so there is still some activities going on. It's back to a normal market. Same thing, if you look at the supply side of the uh, equation, which is total number of active listing in the market, November was 1012. Here, there is a bit of a seasonality involved. A lot of people don't like to move or looking for a home in the month of December. It's Christmas time. So take this with a grain of salt and the sales as well. However, what I like to point out is that the average prices from November to December is gone up by 6.5%. This is the first time we had that. For past 8 months or so, we had a steady downward, and then for October, November, kind of a flat, a little bit up and down. This is the first time we see a little bit blip on the price. Now, 1 month is not enough. I understand that. 1 month is not enough to make a judgment here and make a call and what's happening, right? But it's a good sign. It's a good sign in the sense that things are selling, 281 sales, and the prices are going up. And we see homes that are priced well and they're prepared. Uh, they get good offers and they sell fairly reasonably fast. Now, compare the same numbers with last year. Of course, last year the inventory was less than double, it's like a lot less. Sales were almost like 39% higher, and average prices were $1,097,000, which is about 11% different here. Now, when we say 11%, some areas we had a lot more decline, and some areas we had a lot less. So the average is just somewhere in the middle. So we all know that based on the statistic numbers, there's always something that's higher and lower. $1 million question is what's gonna happen this year, 2023? Everybody's making the calls. Some people come in and call for dooms and glooms. Some are saying it's gonna be. My personal take on this is, guys, we have seen these movies before. 2017, exact same thing happened. In fact, back in February, I sent an email to my database and warned them about the prices and the way we're going. And the title was, "We have seen this movie before and doesn't end very well." I was telling people that be cautious about those multiple offers. And then same thing happened. Now what happened in 2018 was that after a decline, market found its floor in about November, October time frame. And then 2018 was a year of kind of a stagnant. It wasn't going up and down a lot. It was just there. And then toward the end of 2018 and early 2019, things start going back up again. What's going to happen here? The most important thing between that time and this time is the interest rates and the fact that government is trying to fight the inflation and increasing the interest rate to tame the inflation. Now, we've had series of that happening. Every time they met for past 8 to 9 months, they have increased interest rate. We all know that. We are looking forward and see what's happening next. January 25th is the day that they're going to meet again. They have scheduled meetings, Bank of Canada, and we're all waiting for that to see what happens there. Whatever increase they've done last year, they might have some effect now, and their wording toward going forward will be the key. And the next interest rate announcement will be, I believe, March 8th. So these are the things we are going to look for. My personal take on this is, guys, Year 2023 is the year of great opportunities for people who were looking to move into that dream bigger home. You're gonna come across really good deals that you cannot pass on. You have to watch for it. And dreaming, it's about investors as well. Investors are gonna find some really good deals that they cannot pass on either. Interest rates going up. We all know that, but what we guys know is that rent has gone up close to 24-25% in past few months. So rent has gone up. What does that tell you? The demand side of the equation of supply and demand is still high, meaning that people cannot buy, but they rent, and the rent has gone up a lot. Vacancy rate is very low, and things are renting really fast. It's a heaven for the investors. Of course, you pay a little bit more interest rates, but remember, interest rates will fluctuate. We come and going down, go up, goes up and down. In 2024 is expected to go down. If you pick something, if you pick that dream home of yours, that big home that you're looking for, to $300,000-$400,000 less, that is permanent. You bought something $400,000 less than what you could buy, $300,000-$400,000 less than what you could buy last year. But interest rate will go up and down. And for investors, interest rate is tax deductible. So whatever higher you pay, you take that off your balance sheet. So you pay less taxes, and your rent is gone up too. So for that matter, you pay a lot less, right? You pay a little bit more interest rates, but then your rent has gone up as well, and you write off all those interest rates that you pay on your income tax. So there are gonna be some really good deals this year. If you pass it on like people did in 2018, you will regret it a couple of years later, when in 2020, 2021, and 2022, prices were going up and people were wishing to buy. Don't be so much influenced by these dooms and glooms that you see in media. The demand is high. Government of Canada announced that they're gonna fast track a lot of like 500,000 immigrants application in next little while. These are all good news. Take advantage of it. Sorry. And remember, if you have any question or anything, be nice. You can always talk to us. If you have something in mind, call us. If you are looking for a good deal, call me. I always come across really good deals that make perfect sense. We can inform you as soon as they become available. Until next time, have a great day, and you can always reach us at 647-848-2652. You can DM me, you can text me, or you can call me, 647-848-2652. And have a fantastic January. Enjoy.